Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin and of course we are going to see what we need to do in order to get even higher and eventually what is going to be next. Are we going to go all the way up or is this a fake out? Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. You will get easy profits, trading 200 altcoins, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance, educational videos, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start. So BTC against USDT chart, and we are seeing that Bitcoin is having a pump in the last few hours. Okay, a nice pump overall, plus 2% right here, plus 2%, and another plus 1%. But is this going to keep happening? In the weekly frame, you remember that we talked about a possible bullish pennant. Now, this bullish pattern right here is playing out. Okay, so in the weekly frame we are having lower highs in the RSI, higher lows, and this is a breakout to the upside. Now the thing is here, is this a fake out or not? We have to go in the lower time frames and we have to see the daily risk metrics. So on the commodity channel index we have a crazily huge risk for this pump, right? We have seen some pumps right here. We have seen in the bearish cycle, whenever we go in such a huge overbought situation right here, we are having a selling pressure. Right now, the case here is that we could be having a nice correction after. So we are going all the way to the 4-hour frame. You can see though that we just hopped above this top trend line right here. Okay, we closed above, and this is one of the reasons that we went all the way up. But for the time being, it doesn't seem like a huge buying pressure for Bitcoin. Okay, we are going to see what we need to do and so on. So the thing right here is that we need to draw a fib from the top to the bottom. And you can see that we are in the second resistance level right here, 20.6k to 20.5k. Now in the 4-hour frame you can see that we are having a nice risk with the RSI flirting with a bearish RSI divergence. Okay, although this is not something very bearish for now at least, because this bearish RSI divergence is very close to each other. Whenever the bearish RSI divergences are close to each other, then we do not have the same risk as when the bearish RSI divergence. For example, look at this right here and look at that right here. If this was a bearish RSI continues, then we should be having a huge correction. Anyway, we have a huge risk right now in the 4-hour frame. In the 1-hour frame as well, we are having a nice bearish RSI divergence. Okay, this is the bearish RSI divergence one. Okay, so we have to be a little bit careful for now. For the time being, in the Bitcoin chart, I'm not seeing anything hugely bullish apart from the RSI pattern. This is the one that can bring us all this upturn that we need, the bullish pattern. Okay, but we need to see if this is a fake out or not by the end of the week. Right now, BTC doesn't seem like so strong. Okay, so we can say that, oh, we are going all the way up higher. This is a breakout. This is a breakout confirmation like that. This price analysis, the price analysis right here does not seem so strong. However, I will repeat what I have said multiple times in my videos, that 17.7k for me personally is a low of the bearish cycle. And we are going to go even higher, but I believe that we are going to see something like this. Okay, so the paper hands, okay, will sell right here and smart money will buy, so they can push the price even higher. So we are going to have a fake out. Okay, this is what I mean by that. But the 17.7k was indeed the bottom of this bearish cycle. Many people believe that Bitcoin is going to go all the way down, for example, to the 11k, to the 10k. Some of the people are saying that it goes down to the 7k. This is not going to happen. Okay, but for the time being, it is not looking like it is a huge, for example, buying pressure that will give us a huge price movement towards the upside. Okay, the only good part is the weekly RSI. Anyway, let's go back to the Fibonacci retracement a little bit. And this time I want to go from this top right here down to this bottom. Okay, you can see that right now, if we close above here, this line, we are going to go towards the 21.4k. All right, now the case right now is that if we close above in the daily frame, okay, not in the 4-hour frame, not in any other time frame, in the daily frame, if we close above, we are going all the way up higher. Now the good part is that we have a very slight divergence in the 1-hour frame, but we close above this line. Okay, it is good. However, you should be a little bit careful with how many long positions you are going to have now, okay, because it is possible that BTC is going to go to the 21.4k, but for that we have to close above the 20.6k, and for the time being the price analysis does not seem so strong to get us all the way up higher, at least for now, and we have a crazily high risk with the commodity channel index. For that you should be extremely careful. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.